How do you measure the height of a skyscraper without climbing it, or the width of a river without crossing it? The answer lies in one of geometry's most powerful tools, similarity. Think of it like a camera's zoom feature. Two shapes are similar if one is just a perfect scaled up or scaled down version of the other. All the angles stay the same, but the sides all grow or shrink by the exact same multiplier. This multiplier has a name, the scale factor. If the scale factor is 3, a side that was 4 units long becomes 12. Simple as that. Proving that two shapes are similar can be tricky, but triangles give us a beautiful shortcut. If two triangles have the same 3 angles, they must be similar. We call this the angle-angle-angle rule. You don't even need to check the sides. The angles tell you everything. This simple rule has been used for millennia to measure the unmeasurable. The classic example is using shadows. Picture this. You plant a 1-meter stick in the ground and measure its shadow. Then you measure the shadow of a giant building nearby. Because the sun's rays are parallel, they create 2 similar triangles. One small one made by the stick and its shadow, and one huge one made by the building and its shadow. Since the triangles are similar, you can find the scale factor by comparing the shadow lengths. If the building's shadow is 50 times longer than the stick's shadow, then the building must be 50 times taller than the stick. Just like that, you've measured a skyscraper from the ground. This same principle is the foundation for blueprints, maps, and engineering models. It's a simple geometric idea that lets us hold the entire world to scale right in our hands.